विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, last year you have studied about the polynomials and you know the types of polynomial according to their degrees. See, some polynomials are here: 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x, 3x minus 7, and last is the 5x square. Degree of this first polynomial is 1. Here 2. Degree of this is 2, 1 and 2. According to their degrees, if degree of polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is the linear polynomial. And degree of polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. So classify these polynomials in these two types: linear polynomials. First of all, 5x plus 9, degree 1, therefore it is a linear polynomial. 5x plus 9. Second polynomial, here degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. X square plus 3x minus 5. Third, 3x square minus 5s. Here degree is 2, therefore it is also quadratic polynomial. 3x square minus 5x. Here 3x minus 7. Here degree is 1, therefore it is a linear polynomial. 3x minus 7. And last example, 5x square, degree of this polynomial is 2, therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, if degree of polynomial is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. If these polynomials, quadratic polynomials, are written as x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, then it becomes a quadratic.
Therefore, the equation involving one variable and having maximum index of variable is 2 is called quadratic equation.
Some quadratic equations are given. From this, write the coefficients of x square, x and constant terms. Observe the first example. Here, coefficient of x square is 1. So, coefficient of x is 3 and constant term is minus 5. In second example, coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is minus 5 and there is no constant term, therefore it is a 0. In third example, coefficient of x square is 5. Coefficient of x is term not here, therefore its coefficient is 0. 0x means that term is 0, therefore here 0, and constant term is also not present here, therefore it is also 0. Then this coefficient of x square, that is 1, 3, 5, these are called quadratic coefficients. Coefficients of x, 3, minus 5, 0, these are called linear coefficients, and these are the minus 5, 0, 0, these are the constant sum. So we have to study about the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers. And this a not equal to 0. Condition is that a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, this term becomes 0 and the equation is the bx plus c is linear equation. So the condition for this x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. The condition is that a is not equal to 0 and where a is called quadratic coefficient, b is called linear coefficient, and c is a constant. To write the standard form of quadratic equation, complete the following table. Some quadratic equations are given here. X square minus 4 equal to 0. Its standard form or general form is x square Middle term is not here, so it is plus 0x minus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to coefficient of x square, therefore it is 1. B equal to coefficient of x, 0, and c is the constant, that is minus 4. Then second example, y square equal to 2y minus 7. Write down this in general form, y square minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to coefficient of y minus 2, c equal to constant 7. X square plus 2x equal to 0. X square plus 2x, constant term is not here, so it is 0 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c constant term is 0. These are coefficients of a 1, 1, 1. These are the quadratic coefficient. B 0, minus 2, 2 linear coefficients, and minus 4, 7, 0. These are the constants. In previous class you have studied if p of x is any polynomial, and if we put x equal to a, then this p of a equal to 0, then we say that this x minus a is factor of p of x. So a is solution or root of p of x equal to 0. Let one example of this. Consider a polynomial x square plus 5x minus 6. In this polynomial, take x equal to minus 6. Put x equal to minus 6, that is x square plus 5x minus 6. At the place of x, put minus 6. Minus 6 square plus 5 into minus 6, minus 6. Minus 6 square equal to plus 36. This is 5 into minus 6, minus 30 and minus 6, and therefore it is 36 minus 36 equal to 0. If we put x equal to minus 6, the value of this quadratic polynomial is 0. Therefore, minus 6 is root of x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0.